Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the 1-cent coin from the year 1941. This coin is also known as the Lincoln Wheat Penny. It is one of the most collected coins in American history. The year 1941 was a very important time. The world was moving toward the Second World War. America was preparing for major changes. The 1-cent coin from 1941 represents that historical period. It shows how even everyday money becomes part of history. On the front of the coin, you will see the portrait of Abraham Lincoln. Lincoln represents unity, leadership, and freedom. His image has been featured on the 1-cent coin for many decades. You will also see the word liberty on the front, along with the year 1941, and the phrase "In God We Trust." The back of the coin features 2 wheat ears. That is why this coin is called the wheat penny. The wheat design represents agriculture growth and hard work. During the early 1940s, agriculture and industry were both very important. The country was building strength and preparing for global conflict. This coin was part of daily life during that serious time. Collectors admire the 1941 wheat penny for its history and design. Although it is not extremely rare, it is still meaningful because of its age. The value of the coin depends mainly on condition. A coin with strong details and original shine is more desirable. Coins that are worn, scratched, or damaged usually have lower value. Mint marks can also play a role in collector interest. Different mints produced coins in that year. Some collectors like to collect all mint varieties. The 1941 wheat penny was made mostly of copper. Its classic brown color gives it a vintage look. Over time, natural aging creates different tones on the surface. It is important not to clean old coins harshly. Cleaning can remove the natural surface and reduce value. Collectors prefer coins in original condition. Many beginners start collecting with wheat pennies. They are affordable, easy to find, and full of history. Experienced collectors also enjoy building complete sets. Holding a coin from 1941 connects you to the past. It reminds us that this small coin once passed through many hands. It was used during one of the most serious times in world history. If you own a 1941 1-cent coin, store it in a safe and dry place. Use proper coin holders or albums for protection. Taking care of coins helps preserve them for future generations. A well-preserved coin keeps both its beauty and its story. Coin collecting is not only about money. It is about history, learning, and appreciation. Every coin carries a piece of its time. If you enjoy learning about old American coins, this channel is for you. Here we explore rare coins history and collecting tips. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you have a 1941 wheat penny in your collection? Thank you for watching.